The Galaxy S22 flagship series is likely to be announced in January 2022, 1 year after the Galaxy S21 lineup got introduced. Plenty of mysteries surrounding the Galaxy S22 trio remain uncovered, but various leaks and rumors over the past couple of months claim to have already shed a bit of light on the upcoming series. Recent rumors indicate that the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will have slightly smaller display than the Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus. The same rumors suggest that the Galaxy S21 Ultra will retain a 6.8-inch display diagonal and to be the only model from the trio to benefit from the LTPO backplane. We're not sure where Samsung will push the design of its Galaxy S lineup next, and this is a large part because it is too early to tell. Samsung doesn't seem to have decided on all the design aspects of the Galaxy S22 series, but more details are bound to leak eventually. The Galaxy S22 series might be Samsung's first to adopt sensor shift camera technology similar to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This technology stabilizes the camera's sensor instead of the lens, which leads to improved image quality and better stabilization. On the other side, the latest info also tells us that the Galaxy S22 series suggests the Vanilla and Plus models will see similar screen sizes compared to their predecessors at 6.06 inches and 6.55 inches for the later, which are going to be released in the January 2022. The S22 Ultra will get a 6.81-inch diagonal and will be only member in the series with an LTPO OLED screen, allowing for battery endurance and simultaneous high refresh rate and display resolution. The Samsung is also rumored to bring the Exynos 2200 chipset with AMD GPU alongside a Qualcomm Snapdragon. This happens due to the Exynos is usually launched in the Asian market, but the Qualcomm Snapdragon is usually launched in the US market. So Qualcomm is going to be a bit expensive due to its processor, and Exynos is going to be a bit cheap compared to the Qualcomm Snapdragon. So if you think you're going to buy the upcoming Galaxy S22 or Ultra, please make sure to leave a comment below. We will catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.